I'm Annette Dwyer from Midas Accounts, and today I'm going to talk to you about flat rate VAT. Now, there are a couple of reasons why you might want to go onto the flat rate scheme. It might be that you are already registered for VAT and this will be of benefit to you, or it might be that actually it is going to be worthwhile you actually voluntarily registering for VAT in order to take advantage of what could be a great scheme to you. Now, you can only go onto this scheme if your turnover is less than £150,000 a year, and you have to register for VAT if your turnover is over £77,000 a year. Now, there is a word of warning here that I must tell you that if you go onto the flat rate scheme, then all of your turnover from whatever source of income you might have will come under the scheme. So therefore, if you have other sources of income, like you might have two self-employed businesses, you might have a DJ business at the weekend that you do, like, a little bit of this and that, you don't want to do it, and you don't want to do it if you've got any rental income, because both those types of income will actually come into the flat rate scheme for you. So it's very, very straightforward. What actually happens is that HMRC issue on their website, which is www.hmrc.gov.uk, they issue on there various rates of VAT to be used for various different trade sectors. So if you go onto this website and if you type in the search engine FRS for flat rate scheme 7,200, you will come up on there with a list of rates for your trade sector. So what you have, let's just say you are, there's rates for different businesses all throughout the trade sectors. So a courier is a 10% rate, a hairdresser is 18% rate or 13% rate, and computer repairs is 10.5%. So every single thing across the board is on there. In your first year of registration with the revenue, there will be a 1% discount on that rate, just for the first 12 months. So let me explain to you how it works. Let's say you invoice your customer £1,000. This is what will happen. You will invoice £1,000 plus VAT, the current rate of VAT, 20%. So you will invoice 1,000 plus 200, which equals £1,200. What you will pay over to the VAT office is actually £1,200. I'm going to say we're a courier, nice round figure, £1,200 times 10%, which is £120. So actually you have made a profit of £80 on that invoice. And it really is as simple as that. You charge your customer £200, you pay over to the revenue £120, you make a profit of £80. Now obviously that profit is taxed, it needs to go into your set of accounts, but you've still made this profit. Absolutely fantastic. The downside is that you cannot claim any VAT on anything that you've actually purchased. So if you purchased fuel, etc., then you cannot claim any VAT back unless you buy a capital item that is more than £2,000, including the VAT. This could be a van, or it could be if you buy 2 or 3 items on one invoice. So let's say you are a restaurateur and you buy a pizza oven and a dishwasher, and the whole thing is less than £2,000, you can claim the VAT back on that. But other than that, you can't actually claim any VAT back. So this is most suited to businesses who have very little expenses going through their business that they could otherwise claim VAT on, because they could actually be doing themselves out of some profit here. So that is, in essence, how the flat rate scheme works. Thank you.